couldn't help it. I had to see you again. Can't understand it. Just wanna feel you again. I couldn't help it. Yes, I'm falling in love with you. I couldn't help it. I had to see you again. Can't understand it. Just wanna feel you again. I couldn't help it. Yes, I'm falling in love with you.
Today I will talk a little bit about the flight attendant life. So most people will be wondering what exactly the flight attendant do when they are laid over. People outside of the airline industry have a curiosity, questioning what happens on these overnight trips, just as many seem to believe that being a flight attendant is glamorous. They also make up scenarios of what the cabin crew members live are like when away. But this life has to include hookups with hot foreigners or George's Captain Ray, partying nights away in exotic locales, and exploring the city with flair and fascination. Often during the 48-hour rest periods, that is not possible. Finding a George's Captain is a rarity, and 48-hour rest periods are even more scarce. Don't get me wrong, there are exceptions to the rule, and some flight attendants and pilots do enjoy a dazzling flying life. But that's more likely the case for those that have been employed for over 25 or 30 years, or if the individual works for a major international carrier like Emirates. The era of extended rest for flight attendants and pilots to place may change. Nowadays, what is most common for airline crew to fly with barely enough time after arriving at the destination to grab a bite to eat before crashing, getting 5 hours of sleep, and wake up body and mind fighting the different time zone, taking a plane, a passenger to another place. Rinse, wash, and repeat. To continue the crew life, I request the schedule that I can fly with my best friends. That is almost on one list to make an overnight enjoyable. Well, best friends and tip store and gossip. For the most part, every flight attendant like the overnight. Is the only time that the overnight allow me the luxury of unpacking my suitcase and leaving the content wherever I please. Is a little things in life. Take a hotel room iron that usually work, or a free breakfast. There are a few variables what make an overnight well liked by flight crews. Are the beds comfortable? Is the hotel within walking distance to restaurants or shopping? How many hours does the crew have in the city? Other important points include hotel gym, tasty breakfast, and internet connectivity. A typical overnight for me includes go shopping and surfing internet. I feel like I'm always playing catch-up either with sleep or the flight attendant life, or with my life that I need time to break. I don't mind being away from Saigon, Vietnam. At this point in my life, the crew layover is my escape from the party and busy of Saigon. The layover make my life feel more comfortable. Like a flight attendant. Isn't our job description to be jet lagged? on the time.